The percent proportion. A percent is a ratio that compares a number to 100. One way to find the percent of a number is to use a proportion. The proportion we'll be using is the percent proportion, where we have compare a part to a whole. We often use the word is to represent the word part and of to represent the whole. And then we'll convert the percent to a number over 100. So let's look at the first one. 16 is what percent of 50? So anytime I'm doing my percent proportion, I'm thinking in my mind, I'm going to be comparing a part to a whole. And I know I'm going to be writing a proportion, so I can go ahead, make my lines an equal sign. 16 is what percent of 50? So we're looking for the percent, so we know we're looking for a number over 100. 16 is, so that's the part, what percent of 50, the whole. So my proportion is 16 over 50 is equal to x over 100. So one way to solve this is to cross multiply. 50 times x is 50x. And 16 times 100 is 1600. Now I'm going to divide by 50. And x is equal to 1600 divided by 50, which is 32. So 32, 16 50ths is 32%. $34 is 12% of what number? So remember, we're thinking about the part to the whole. We're going to be writing a percent proportion. So we know quickly that 12% is 12 over 100. 34 is 12% of what number? So 34 is the part, and we're looking for the whole. So now we're going to cross multiply. 12 times x is 12x. 34 times 100 is 3400. Divide by 12. $3,400 divided by 12 is 283. It's going crazy. 283.3 repeating. Okay, you try number 3. What number is 60% of 93? Here's our percent proportion. And 55.8 is 60% of 93. The floor has 90 blue tiles, or 15% of all the tiles on the floor. How many tiles are there on the floor? So the floor has 90, that's the part, or 15% of the tiles on the floor. How many tiles are there on the floor? So go ahead and write your percent proportion. Then go ahead and solve. Number 5, the Wizards won 70% of the 40 games that they played. How many games did they win? They won 70% of the 40 games that they played. So go ahead and set up your percent proportion. And here's your percent proportion. And then go ahead and solve. They won 28 games.